Imagine you have a house that needs a makeover. You hire a contractor to create a blueprint to fix and improve your home, and then build it. Fusion Smile Design works very much like this concept. Say you are missing a few teeth, or you want to change your smile completely. You would come to Village Periodontics and Dental Implant Center, where our team of dental engineers will use Fusion Smile Design to create a blueprint to match your dental desires and needs. The end result is delivery of your beautiful new smile. Now that you understand the idea, let's get more into detail. Hello, I'm Dr. Nina Kramer.
And I'm Dr. Dennis Davis.
In this video, we're going to go over the process of digital smile design and how technology can be used to achieve your very best smile. Smile design is a technology that lets you see your smile from the start. It's real-life photos that show the possibilities of what we can do with our dental treatment. And in comprehensive dentistry, we like to begin with the end in mind. And what that means is we're taking a look at what you start with, and we are mapping out exactly what it takes to get to the result that you want.
In the past, if you would come into our office, we would have to try to work with you in designing a smile that you liked. However, we never had the opportunity to show you what was possible. We never had the opportunity to show you what we could actually do. And we really did not have the ability to use your input to help design the smile that you want. With a digital smile design, we can actually work with you to design the smile that you want, customize your future smile, and actually visualize a roadmap that will allow us to get very close to what you desire.
A smile design is done through a series of easy steps. We bring you into our photo studio and we take some photos of your face and teeth, and then we bring them into our software. The digital smile technician and I will work together to design a smile that you'll love. The next step is to bring you back for a treatment conference to reveal the smile that we designed. We collaborate with you at this appointment to change anything that you might like to alter in the design.
I can't emphasize enough the benefits of digital smile design. This is going to allow me and our digital smile technician to better communicate with all the providers. This is monumental in allowing us to get the better result for you.